Alright guys, we're back and we've got the lines marked out for normal foundation for a little 20 by 24 cabin. And yeah, we're slowly digging, and no, we don't have any heavy equipment out here for any of this. And we're not going full depth just yet. We're getting our lines cut and making sure they're the right width and everything for us, because we're going 24-inch wide on these footers. And we got it all squared. We painted the lines before we squared, but we got it squared, and we got this line marked out. So we're going a little bit slow with it, but then again, and besides the rebar we've already got bought, I've spent $70 on this so far. So, I mean, and that was for a new mattock and a new square shovel. That way we can square our corners up. And where this is hard brick clay, once we get our dirt and everything and the grass moved out of the way, this will be the lowest corner out of them. So this one will go to 32, and then the rest will get or level out, and we'll level the ground all the way around it, going based off of that corner. And the basement project's on hold for the moment. The 3000 has 2 flat tires now. Just them old back tires finally give up the ghost on me. But where we had rain and everything off of the hurricane, it filled in the basement and made us a nice little pond. We got deer tracks all the way around it. Tell you how good this ground is for building a pond. Literally a plow and a grater blade, we built a pond in almost no time. And I mean, shoot, you can see the deer tracks where they've slid down in there on this side even. And everyone wants white beaches. Well, we got white beaches even. And I mean, shoot, it's maybe 3 feet deep is all. But we've been slowly working on this stuff. Step a foot away from water and you start sinking. So if the tractor was working, this would be a real good time for digging it deeper. We'd back down in here and grade out this muck real easy. But we get the tractor fixed. We'll get back on the basement after this little cabin is built. We decided to jump over and do this little cabin, get it done, because it's a lot smaller and a lot easier, and it won't be no big deal. So